Step 1. As shown in the video, remove the original vehicle bolts. Step 2. Attach the white washers to the bolts. Insert the assembly into the corresponding holes as demonstrated in the video. Step 3. Secure the L-shaped brackets to both sides of the shield using bolts. Step 4. Align the holes of the catalytic converter shield with those of the vehicle's mounting location. Fasten them securely using bolts and nuts. Step 5. Insert the clip nut into the corresponding hole on the vehicle. Use a bolt to firmly fix the L-shaped bracket in place. Step 6. Align the holes of the second shield with both the vehicle's mounting location and the first shield holes. Secure them tightly with bolts and nuts.